Hello student, now we are going to solve a simple C program 2. Write a program to print your name on the screen. Display or print any message, maybe name, any news or word or sentence on the screen. We always maintain a proforma or structure for writing any normal C program. We always add two header file stdio.h and conio.h for normal program. As per program requirement, we add some other header file. This is the void main, is the main function of C. We can write only one main function, only write this we can. Next, this is the block begin, this is the block end. In between block begin and end there are functions and statement. Okay, so first we add header file hatch in small letter, include stdio.h in this manner. Next, hatch include conio.h. next, void main, and this is the empty pair of parentheses. Next, block begins, clrscr function in this manner. This function clear the screen when run the program. A new program when run, output is displayed from the first line. Now printf function only display the message printf within bracket quotation name of Gopal Das, name within the quotation. Next, semicolon, must use semicolon. Printf function also use for display value of variable. At the end, we always use getCha function. getCha function hold the output on the screen. Now the program is end. Now we run this program on the C program screen, C program compiler. First we type the program on the screen. there is, take care, there is no mistake, there must be semicolon, there must be semicolon, there must be semicolon. After proper typing, we first compile the program. Project compile. It is show compile status, there is no mistakes. Okay. Next, we run the program. Click on debug, then run. There is no mistakes. Now the name Gopal Das is displayed on the screen, or any message display on the screen. If any mistake, if we carelessly mistake semicolon, we just mistakes this, then project compile, it show there is a error. So error is 1, so program not run properly. Then we again correct this, there is semicolon. Now debug, run. Now program is okay, there is no error. The name Gopal Das is displayed on the screen. Okay, thank you.